Hi. In this video, we can see how to import and export data from mongoDB. So let me show that sample file. So this is my JSON sample file for I'm going to import, which I'm going to import. So this is my JSON sample file. So let me show that Mongo, what a database running on this Mongo. So here these are the databases running on mongoDB. So now I'm going to import data on I'm going to import data on student database. That's it, student database. So the command is like mongo import db name I'm giving as a student, and collection I'm giving collection name as student data, and this is a file path. I'm giving a file as /mongo and give a file path. Student JSON is my file. So you can see that that all documents got imported successfully on that mongoDB. Let's have a look whether it is imported successfully or not. So you can see that student database got created, and I'm going to check that student database, show collections. So you can see that student data collection got created. So I'm going to check that student data collection. So here all data got imported on the student collection. So now that data got imported. So now I'm going to export the data from this student database. So for exporting data, the command is like mongo export. Give the database name. Database name is student. I'm going to give a collection name. Collection name is student data, and give an output file. I'm giving output file as /mongo/out student.json, and I'm giving I'm extracting data with the pretty command. So you can see that data got exported. Let's see the records. You can see that the output JSON file got created. We can verify here. So you can see that data got exported here. Thank you.